Hello again, a new day, a new experiment. So my old Edirol R-09, it's still using 8 giga card. And I have a question from one of my subscriber. If this machine can use a higher, modern, speedy SD cards, Let's try to find out. First of all, this is a firmware 1.3.1, I think is the latest from R-09. I can't even remember when this one was built. Anyway, it was in those time when the things was made in Japan. It's still a great machine, working super. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a 32 giga of SanDisk Ultra, 80 mega per second. Let's see if it can do the job with R-09. Okay, loading. Of course, the first test will be if the machine can format the card. And let's go. We are formatting now. I'm using this 32 on my photo camera. Now processing, it's taking a while. Kind of big card. Complete. Okay. So far, I don't see any problem. 29.71. I'm pretty sure this card it's working great. What we have to do now is to go back to the menu. I'm recording here with 44.1. Let's go to 48.0, 24 bits. Maximum file size 1 giga. Okay. And let's start recording. So here is my C1 Behringer, and here is my R-09 Edirol sound test. So far it's working great. That's enough. And we have the file right there. I'm pretty sure this card will work without any hint. And now let's check this on the computer. I got the card right here. Let's run it. Recording. Any sound? So here is my C1 Behringer, and here is my R-09 Edirol sound test. So far it's working great. Okay, so 32, it's working great. Next test, I'm gonna use this little card from here. But first, let me copy this, because I need the footage, of course. So the card is working great. I know that. It's a 64 giga. Okay, we got the card ready. This is a 64 SanDisk Ultra. Yeah, the point is that I have to use an adapter with this one, so I'm not exactly sure how it's behave. Okay, here we have the card, but something, just let me do a kind of a reset. Sometimes it's the best way to reset the machine. Take the batteries out just like that, and let's go to menu, SD card, information, 0 byte. All right. Is it protected? Off, right. And let's try to format this one. SD card error. I'm not sure what's happening here. File system error. Yeah, we have some footage there, and we have some other stuffs. So I may say it's not formatting in the machine. Let's try to format it on the computer, and I'm gonna use a software for that, and that's IOMA Partition Assistant. Here we have the card. Let's delete the partition first. create partition FAT32, because I'm pretty sure that's the file system this machine is working or using. Proceed. Yes. And here we have a 62 giga of FAT32 card ready to go. Let's put it into machine. But you know something? Disconnect the batteries. Let's start Edirol and let's wait to see if the card is loading. So it's writing loading and some more loading. It's taking a while. Okay. And look here, people, we are good to go. Now it's writing very nice on a 64 gigabyte of card without problem. But of course, like I said, you can't format it into the machine. I think maximum is 32 giga. This one was working great. Let me take this out. Okay, batteries. The last test, I'm gonna use 120 giga on Edirol R-09. Loading. And still loading. Okay. And what do you think about this? No, it's recording. It's just working. Straight from the camera, right in here. But now let me see. Info. Let's see about the input. SD card. Information. 100.6. This is so great. Is this formatting? SD card. Oh no. So now I'm gone. Absolutely yes. So don't try to format this on the machine. But I'll do the same thing, you know. I'm gonna format this with LMA Partition Assistant. Same story. Delete, create, partition. Okay, apply. So we have to delete first and then apply all the others. Now, create FAT32 and let's go. Okay, so we have a card FAT32, 132 giga. Let's put this into Edirol. But like before, let's have a hardware reset. I may say that. Take the batteries out. Machine on. Loading, loading, loading. It's taking some time, of course. 20 seconds or something. And there we go. And yes, we have a recording on 128. We have now, if we take it the other way, with this format, at least 80 hours or 90 hours of audio format recording. And this is great. So that was the test for today. Once again, 32 giga, working great. You can even format it on Edirol R-09. Of course, 8 giga, I don't want to talk about. 64, it's in this little camera here, and it's working great with external formatting software on FAT32. And of course, 128 giga on that camera, it's working great too. You saw that? Of course, same story, formatted on a PC. Somehow, except format, you can use a bigger card without problems with old R-09 from Edirol. Great machine. I really recommend it. Okay, that was for today. I hope it's useful. Please like, subscribe, and the most important thing, don't forget to have fun. Bye-bye.